Hello everyone. Today is my 30th day of being in quarantine. It's been weird now. It's our city implemented this what's it called, the now you have to wear a mask if you go to certain businesses. Like now they can refuse service if you don't have a face mask. A good decision, just in case if that business or people want to implement that. But I mean, yeah, it's been I think I want to say a couple of days. But now people that come to this store here, almost every single person that has a face back now. We don't have a we don't put a sign in there. We haven't put a sign that says that it's a requirement before you come in. Because one of the reasons we haven't decided to do that is because you don't have that many people come in at once. You know, here maybe 2 people, 3 people the most is when they come together sometimes. But it's not. No, it's not always like that. You know, sometimes it's just one, and then another person leaves, and then the other one comes back. But yeah, it's been a little rough now. But yeah, guys, you know, it's now what happened last night or 2 days ago. I have a Spectrum. My Spectrum Wi-Fi went down, and it's been 2 days now. It's really rough, really bad now, because I can't do anything. You know, I mean, I can use my phone still to you know, to watch a couple of videos like our movie, but like to do work wise, I can't. You know, and yesterday we had a key to do in one of the computers that we haven't used in a while. We want to use that one to program a key, and it needed Wi-Fi. So, and our Wi-Fi is currently down. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for Spectrum to get their systems back up. Because I also searched online. There's this website called downdetector.com, I believe. And then right there before you go in there, you put your zip code and also your type of internet that you have, like company. And then based on that, they take you to that website, that does certain page where there's a lot of people, you know, people that commented, and they put the zip codes. They also put you know, how many days or how many, you know, how long has their Wi-Fi or internet has been down. And yeah, it's my second day today. It's really I can't do anything about it. I'm just bored. I couldn't trade today. I tried to do it on my phone via the app, but I'm not so used to it. I'm used to using my laptop. I did try to do it with my hotspot, but it's not the same. And also, it was taking way too long for me to change from one sock to another one. It would take minutes to load up, you know. So I just like, okay, I'm not gonna do it here because I can't, you know. It's just not the best. We can still use our cutting machine here, but to look up prices, it's I don't think we can do. And that's something that we need an internet for, because every single card key is different. One is pricier than the other one. One is cheaper than the other one. Even though if you put 2 cards, for example, if you put a Honda Civic versus a Toyota, right? Like it's a random Toyota. Sometimes the Honda Civic key is more expensive than the Toyota one. So the prices vary a lot. No, but we can't check that right now. Well, we can do it through our phone. It's just a hassle, because on the computer we already have everything set up. Like we already have put we have the websites ready. Like once you open up the browser, we already have listed the different websites we get our keys from. It just takes a little more time for us to look it up on their phones. But yeah, it sucks. You know, it sucks not having internet. I didn't know I use the internet a lot, but I do. I don't know how you guys if you guys have the same issue. at your house, or around your city. But where I live in Santa Clara Valley, and yeah, it's been 2 days now without internet, and I don't know. I'm coming close to the point where I want to switch internet companies, just because this issues happen a lot. I was thinking earlier today, what did we used to do? At that time, I was a kid, so I don't remember that much. I just remember playing outside and all that. But it's definitely weird. But it's also a nice change too, because being addicted to the internet a lot, it kind of consumes your time a lot. You get into it, like for example, if you watch a movie, you keep watching it. If you watch a series or a movie, you watch the movie and you watch another movie, so it's also kind of takes your time a lot. And I found out that yeah, I was using it way too much. So this is kind of like a nice break for now. I don't want it to be that long. Now I'm doing other things that I wouldn't normally do. Like for example, I'm reading now. I'm back of reading these couple books, which I bought them like 4 months ago, 5 months ago, and I read them for just a few pages, but nothing major. So now I'm getting back to it, and then I'm trying to see what I can do here. I clean or do something. I was reading on the website that there are some people that haven't had internet for 5 days, and most of the people are worried because they can't do any well, people that most of those people that were there put in the comments, they were saying that they couldn't do their homework, they couldn't do their work, so it was affecting a lot of them too. So yeah, it's just crazy. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully, they said it was gonna be fixed by today or tomorrow morning. Hopefully today, because it's Friday. Even though it doesn't feel like it's Friday, but it's Friday. I also think that I found out that Uber is still working. They're still taking rides. I didn't know that. I didn't take Uber as much, but I took an Uber a couple of days ago just to get my car from the shop. I had a little change that I had to do, and I was like, okay, maybe I can just Uber because I don't have a ride. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm gonna try the Uber first to see if they are working at the moment. If not, so someone to pick me up. And they still work. The person that picked me up, I forgot her name. I'm sorry, but she actually told me that it's been slow since all this happened because no one really goes out anymore. But before I even got into the car, once I got to the car, I'm sorry, I asked her, oh no, do you want me to wear the mask, or really cautious about it. They want you to wear the mask, and I asked her, do you want me to wear it, or are you okay without me wearing it? And she said, no, you're okay without it. It's just me that had to wear. So yeah, I guess some Uber drivers, I want to say, some Uber drivers, they gonna tell you, yes, wear it, or they can refuse their service. But you just ask them, like, hey, I know you guys are working. I just wanted to make sure you guys are, want me to wear the mask. I'm happy here, no problem. But what do you want me to do? Or is it okay if I don't wear it? But yeah, I mean, she was nice about it, so she didn't. Wasn't like, okay, yeah, I had to wear it. But yeah, I mean, that was the only thing that happened. I haven't had any other news. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys are up to, or how's your city taking this, and also if your internet is down, or what are you doing to prevent contacting the virus. But yeah, guys, let me know. Come back to you in the next time, okay? Catch you later.